Alright, so you're going to take off this cover. And it's going to have 3 bolts. Some may have a plug that go from the mirror down into the panel right here. And I'll remove that here in a little bit to show you. But you're going to take these 3 bolts off and your mirror will pop off. We're using a 7/18 or 7/16. And if you can, it works with an 11. This is for a 2000 Mustang. So once you got the bolts out, the mirror pops right off. There is a plug that's in there. All you got to do is work this plug out, and then it comes completely out. Now, of course, to put it back together and put it all back in, you're going to have to run that wire through this hole. Through this hole right here, and then it goes down. I don't know if you can see in there. Down in there to that plug right there. Trying to get it to focus. And then that's how you take out a mirror. Thank you guys for watching Mechanics Love Classics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.